Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text box border color in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that text box border color. Now click for the text box. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for the shape outline option. Then LSS color. That's it. Then change the outline color. Now click for the shape outline, then choose color. That's it. Then I show text box border color in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.